how to edit student fees details. Okay, open your browser, log in your username and password. Login. Okay, enter here student admission number 16. Submit. This is a student fees details. Okay, scroll down, see here edit fees. Okay, click this link, sorry, this button, edit. Okay, this is a student fees details. This is a admission number, admission class, studying class. Okay, this is a tuition fees. Okay, now I will edit this tuition fees. Okay, 15,000. Okay, 15,500 is a discount. Remaining tuition fees is 14,500. Okay, bus fees is a, I will edit 10,000. Okay, 500 is a bus discount fees. Remaining balance bus fees is a 9,500. Okay, now update. Okay, please wait. Okay, successfully updated. Now see fees details, admission number 60. Okay, see here tuition fees 15,000, bus fees 10,000. Okay, total amount 24,000. Okay, 24,000. This is a student fees update process.